I'll be showing you how to make a Gandhiji Charka model with popsicle sticks. This is a really easy craft and I'm sure you will want to try it. When you spin the stick, the charka spins the thread from the yarn over here. See how cool, right? Now let's move on to the video and let me show you how to make this charka. For making the charka, look at the materials in the description below or just look at the text and let's start making our charka. So first take a popsicle stick and make a hole in them like I've shown here. We'll be needing 6 of them with the hole. Then take 3 of them and glue them together like that. So then after you do that, you have to make 2 of them. So you should make both of them make sure that both of them slide through freely through the big skewer. Then we have to take another bamboo skewer and make small sticks like that, and we have to glue them to the tips of our popsicle sticks. So after you do that, your bamboo skewer glued with popsicle sticks will look like this. It looks a bit like a charka, but you need some modifications on them to make it work properly. So then I'll be taking 2 bamboo sticks like that. Then we have to cut them. So after you cut them, take them into groups of 3. So after you do that, it should be like this. So you have to glue them like that. Then we have to take 2 other popsicle sticks and glue them on like this. So in the end it should look like that, and I've glued them on both sides. So this will be our base for the charka. So then we take other 2 popsicle sticks with holes on the top of them. Then we have to put slide that through our charka. Then we have to glue them to the base. So in the end it will look like this. Yeah. So make sure that everything is glued properly because this is the main part of our charka. So yeah, this is how it will look after you glue it. So then I've took another bamboo skewer with some thread spun on it. Then I'll take a popsicle stick, cut it into half, then make holes on the top of them. So this will be how our thread will be spinning. So make sure that it slides through freely and glue them on like that. So there, your charka is ready. So like that, that's how it works. Then you have to take the thread and you just have to tie it onto a stick right there. So there, your charka is ready. For making it work, just need to turn the stick, the long bamboo skewer around. Then it will keep moving. So like that, your charka is ready. So hey, how was the charka? Did you like it? If you did, make sure that you make this charka. It's really easy, but it might take a few hours, but it's totally worth it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click right here, and if you want to watch my latest video, click right here, and if you want to watch a video which you might like, click right here. Thanks for watching.